How to measure with multiple planes with the iCON Trades app using iCON ICS20 or ICS50. To add a new plane, open the Planes menu and press New Plane. All points will be projected into that plane, which means the outcome will be a flat 2D drawing which can be used in production for cutting flat materials. Choose Vertical in our case. Define the plane name. Optionally, you can select the material and thickness or choose one of the previously used values. Measure 2 points to define the vertical plane. The distance between these 2 points should be as big as possible. Once the plane is defined, select if you want to measure a point, line, or polyline. Measure all the relevant features for the backsplash, for example, points like sockets, switches, and ventilation fans. All points measured on the currently active plane are displayed on the screen. You can change the active plane at any time and add more measurements if something was wrong or forgotten. Add a new plane if you need to measure another surface. Finish the drawing using the editing tools. To visualize all the captured data in 3D, press the View button on the left-hand side of the screen and tap 3D.